सावधान, सिद्ध, ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to my class, and today I am going to dictate some notes related to active type of partners. Okay, what types of partners? So write down first heading active partner. ACTIVE, active partner. PARTNER, active partner. Write it down. An active partner is one. An active partner is one who takes takes active part in the day-to-day working day -to-day working working of the business full stop. He can act as a manager. He can act as a manager, comma organizer, 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 comma advisor, and a controller, CONTROLLER, controller of the business. Due to his active participation, PARTICIPATION, active participation, he is otherwise known as a working partner. He is otherwise known as a working partner. Next side heading, sleeping, SLEEPING, sleeping or dormant partner, DORMANT, dormant partner. Okay, write it down in the heading. A sleeping partner is a partner. A sleeping partner is a partner who contributes capital, CONTRIBUTES, who contributes capital, comma assets, comma profit, and losses, losses, but doesn't take part, doesn't take part in the working of the business, full stop. Then continue. Sleeping partner is liable for the liable for the business liabilities like other partners like other partners. Full stop. He is not not known to the public. KNOWN, known to the public. Public as a partner. He is not known to the public as a partner, comma. So he may be called as a secret partner. He may be called as a secret partner. Full stop. Next side heading, nominal partner. Nominal partner. NOMINAL. Nominal partner. A nominal partner is one. A nominal, NOMINAL. Nominal partner is one, comma, who lends, LENDS, lends his name to the business, full stop. He doesn't contribute, DOESNOT, contribute, CONTRIBUTE, doesn't contribute any capital, nor NOR, does he share, SHARE, profits of the business. Profits of the business. Full stop. He is known as, KNOWN, known as a partner, to the third parties, full stop. On the strength of, STRENGTH, on the strength of his name, the business can get more credit in the market, or can promote, PROMOTE, can promote its sale, 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 full stop. A nominal partner is liable to the third parties. A nominal partner is liable, LIABLE, to the third parties who give credit to the business, on the assumption of, ASSUMPTION, on the assumption of that person being a B-E-I-N-G, being a partner in the business, partner in the business. Next side heading, partners in profit, partners in in profit. Partners in profit. A person may become a partner. A person may become a partner. A person may become a partner for sharing the profits only. For sharing the profits only. He contributes capital. He contributes capital and is also liable to third parties, liable to third parties, liable to third parties like other partners, full stop. He is not allowed to take ALLOWED, not allowed to take part in the management, 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 full stop. Such partners are associated for ASSOCIATED, associated for for their money and goodwill, full stop. Next side heading, partners by by estoppel, ESTOPPEL, or holding out, HOLDING, holding out. When a person is PERSON, when a person is not a partner, when a person is not a partner but possesses himself, possesses himself as a partner, either by words, WORDS, or in writing, or by his acts, acts, comma, he is called a partner, by estoppel, 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 full stop. He does not contribute, CONTRIBUTE, doesn't contribute anything to the business. He does not contribute anything to the business, but anything to the business, full stop. he is liable, he is liable to outsiders, comma, who deals with the business on pre-assumption, Preassumption, pre-assumption of this person, full stop. Next side heading, secret partner, SECRET, secret partner. The position of a secret partner, the position of a secret partner lies, lies between the active and sleeping partner, comma, his membership is kept, kept secret from, SECRET, secret from outsiders, full stop. His liability is unlimited, full stop. He can take part in the working of business, full stop. Next side heading, sub partner. A partner may associate, ASSOCIATE, a partners may associate anybody else, else in his share in the business, full stop. In this he gives, GIBES, he gives a part of his share, to the stranger, 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 full stop. The relationship is not between the sub-partner and the business, but between the sub-partner and the partner, full stop. A sub-partner is not liable for the debt of the business, full stop. Next side heading, minor as a partner, MINOR, minor as a partner. A person who has not yet attain the age of majority, majority, majority is known as a minor, full stop. According to Indian contract, a minor cannot enter into a contract. Full stop. A minor may be admitted to the benefits. Admitted to the benefits of an existing partner with the consent of all other partners. Full stop. A minor is not personally liable for the liabilities of the business. A minor is not personally liable for the liabilities of the business. Full stop. Okay, this is your types of partner. Okay, update your notes. Thank you.